So I've built an entire affiliate program for beginners with Claude Code, and today I actually want to show you how it works. I have been so excited to share this with people just to show you the potential of what Claude Code and AI and things like that can do to actually help somebody who's not a programmer build something exactly the way I envisioned it. Because nothing out there is anything like this. And I had an idea, I took it from idea, talked through with Claude, mapped the entire thing out, coded the entire thing, strung up all like the APIs, everything I possibly needed. I learned from AI and did it. And who is this for? It's for the beginning affiliate marketer who just wants to figure out how to build an email list, promote some products that they love, and actually make a little bit of extra money. And so like if you've ever looked into, affiliate marketing before, and you've come away feeling very frustrated because you felt like the whole pitch was, hey, recruit your friends, tell them to join this affiliate program. And you see the fake countdown timers and the urgency and the screenshots of all this money that you can, click a few buttons and boom, you're a millionaire, all these promises. But then you get into some sort of program and you realize, well, I don't want to tell all my friends and family. You come away very skeptical of the industry, and I get that. And I wanted to build something that was honestly the opposite of that. So what I've done is I've built this platform. I started building it probably the last week of May, the first week of June is kind of really when I started just sitting at my computer for hours and mapping this entire thing out. So here's what nobody will tell you when they start looking at affiliate marketing. Most of what you find out there right now isn't really affiliate marketing. It's recruiting dressed up in affiliate language. And you're being asked to bring in more people who bring in more people who bring in more people. And then the products, the goods, the services all become afterthought. And that's not what I wanted to do. And that's not what I've built here. So what I've done with MarketPacer is I've built out an entire library of business tools, guides, softwares, services, my top selling services, and I've put them all in one place. And I have a private affiliate program. I've been calling it PAMP, which is Private Affiliate MarketPacer Platform or Project. And it is private. You cannot just come to the sign up page and sign up. You have to have an invite link. And either you have to be invited by me or you have to be invited by a pro upgraded affiliate. Because this isn't going to be some recruiting game where anybody can sign up for free and then just tell their friends to get in, because that's not what I want. I want people promoting products, building email lists, coming down into the training center and learning how to do it right, how to be an actual affiliate marketer. I mean, that's the whole goal, is you don't want people becoming affiliate marketers and become dependent on somebody else. You want to teach them how to become independent. But then if I can offer you some traffic or some products, some good things to promote, then I can just help you and you can help me by promoting the products. And so I have a couple different tiers on here. So the free tier, when I come over to here, I don't have an invite link. So the whole focus of when people come to my affiliate program is they aren't focused on sending this to their friends to check it out. They're focused on this products page, which is filled with actual products. You can hit these links, copy your affiliate link, and you go look at every single one of these. We sell Instagram Growth Engine. It's a PDF. All of these are digital products. These right here are marketing agents. This is a software. And you get paid different rates based on the product or the service that you're promoting. And so, I'm constantly building this library out. So if you are building a true email list, the list that you're building, all of these products tie together. So any one of these products can be promoted to an email list that you're building, regardless of what niche it is that you're building. They're all going to be related to be able to promote the same thing to people. So we're going to constantly be adding, different prompt packs, toolkits, more guides, more frameworks, more services. Some of our top selling services are going to be in here shortly. This is me building this out in real time. So, I want to show people how the affiliate side actually works. So I have an entire training center I'm building out right now. So if you click right here, you can see, I have a welcome email. Or a welcome video. We have, free versus pro, so that you understand, yeah, you can be a free member, but as a pro member, you get added bonuses. As a pro member, it bumps your commission rate. So instead of 30% on digital products, you're going to get 50%. It's going to unlock things like ad pools. You don't get access as a free member to ad pools. Ad pools are basically tapping into the marketing I'm already doing in Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads. You can tap into that and also be able to share in that revenue. So those are the different types of things you get as a pro member. Now, as a free member, we have an email package. You can do a test package for $20. We will rotate your affiliate link in our already working email campaigns. You will get clicks and then hopefully sales. Now, can I guarantee you're going to get sales? No, but most people will get their first sale when they test our traffic. And that's the whole idea, is to show you how that works. And then if it makes sense to upgrade to pro, you get access to more of our traffic campaigns. As a free member, you have access to a small amount of our traffic, but we reserve the majority of our traffic for upgraded members. And this tab right here shows people, it walks you through what, becoming a pro member actually looks like. So when you become a pro member, you can refer other affiliates if you want to, and you can earn money for doing so. But the whole focus of this platform is to promote the actual products. So someone can come on here, they can become a pro member, they can earn higher commissions, they can participate in the ad pools, they can share their links on social media or build pages around, Instagram, and then have a link in the bio to the Instagram growth engine. Those are affiliate things that you never have to talk to another person in order to generate sales from. And that's what's awesome about this. And then in this training down here, I'm building this out. So I have these 4 videos available right now, but I have a whole section that's going to be on building social media traffic, building out faceless YouTube, building out blog posts, different things that can promote the products, build your email list so that you're building your own email lists. And when a new product hits the library, you already have an email list built, and you can be like, hey, check out this brand new product that just hit the market. And you can send an email out to those email subscribers with your affiliate link and earn commissions from this. So it has nothing to do with having to get your friends and family. You can join this program and literally talk to no one. You can buy our traffic, or you can just start building content and assets so that you can start building an email list. And all of that training is going to be found right here. Some of that training is already on my YouTube channel. So check out some of my other videos. This is basically every time you share a product or have a link to a product, there's a 30-day cookie. When you get a commission, there is a 30-day hold. We have to do that because we have refund policies. So if someone buys a product and doesn't like the product and they want a refund, we have to refund them. Or there's disputes or chargebacks. We have to account for that. So there's a 30-day hold. But once that clears, it goes into the withdrawal, and you'll be able to withdraw that money. So, and we pay via PayPal. It's a very simple process. So, one thing I want to do for beginning affiliates is, because most affiliates don't know how to do traffic. So my whole thought process is as I get this training up and people are going through the training and they're actually trying to build this, I wanted to give people an opportunity to buy the traffic packages so that they could see what that's like. They could earn while they're also building their own platform out. And it just kind of helps people scale where they're actually earning some money. It gives them some time. Sometimes there's paid tools that you have to use for building funnels and things like that. Well, if you're making a little bit of money on affiliate commission because you're buying traffic that converts, then you can use that money to invest in your business and get tools and resources that you need to scale up. And that's all I ever did. I mean, I set myself an ad budget. When I first started, I set myself an ad budget. And I said, okay, I think when I first started, I said I wanted to spend like $30 a day. So that's like $900 a month. But after a couple days, I started getting sales. So that money was hitting my bank account. So then I could say, oh, wow, I spent $30 3 days in a row and I just got my first sale. Now I'm starting to get sales every day. Now that money is being covered by sales coming in. So then I would just gradually upscale to like, okay, now I want to spend $50 a day. Now I want to spend $100 a day. Now I want to spend $1,000 a day on ads, because I might get $1,500 worth of sales coming in. So I profit 500 and I spend 1,000. I keep scaling that up. And, I have scaled up to where, I've spent $2,500 to $3,000 in a day on ads. I mean, that's not even very much compared to a lot of people. But I've had budgets where we've spent $2,000 on average every single day on ads. But it's because I'm bringing it back more. So, and those are the types of campaigns you can tap into when you become a pro member. And so that's what, like, I purposely am not putting an invite link in my description because I'm not looking for masses of people to join this. I'd rather people contact me on Facebook, Instagram, and I think YouTube just rolled out a DM type feature, which that is actually what I want to test if that feature is available somewhere. I know it's going to be rolled out to everybody soon, so it's not rolled out, I don't think, for everybody yet, but I did get an email on it. So I'm trying to kind of figure that whole thing out. But I will link to some of the products that we have that are our best-selling products. And our top affiliates, they buy traffic plus they promote the products. They promote via social media, or they're building, Facebook fan pages around a certain niche, and then they're sharing the links in their bio. People do this on Instagram all the time, or they say DM me on Instagram and we'll send you the guide. People are building their email list this way. So, but I'm not trying to bring a lot of people into this affiliate program. I'm just trying to show people, like, I literally built this out in my vision with Claude code. And I now have the ability to have people on this platform. And I can actually show you, I have less than a couple hundred people. So, like, actually, I'm going to go block out a few things first. So I want to show you, we have a total of 231 users on the system right now. And then we have 66 who have upgraded or are grandfathered in. And some of these are affiliates that I've been working with. So that's why we have so many. And then my internal email list, we're just getting people kind of testing the program. There's so many people that are just free users, and they buy test traffic to just kind of see how the whole system works. And you can see right here, these are actual, like, this is the actual dashboard of actual product sales. So, we have gross revenue, like, for the month, the last 30 days or whatever. And then these are actual products that are actually being sold. So, like, here's our top affiliate right here. We've got a list right here. This is how much they've earned since June. So, like, just over a month, these are the types of earnings that people are making. And they're buying traffic, they're sharing it. This is none of this right here is commissions earned from referring people. None of it. There's only a handful of people who've actually taken advantage of referring another affiliate. Every one of these sales, I would say 99.9% of the revenue generated here are from product sales, which is what I want. So if you're excited about that, I'm going to show you one other screen. Okay, so this is the other thing I wanted to show you, is these are the commissions that are earned. You can actually see in this screen, like, this is coming from our social traffic campaign. Social traffic, our YouTube campaign, our email campaign. These are coming from actual campaigns we're running where our affiliates bought traffic from us, we're sending clicks to them, and then they are earning the commissions on this. And then, of course, I have to have the ability. That's why we hold it for 30 days. In case there is a chargeback on one of these, I've got to reverse the commission. So like that's why I have functions to do this type of thing. But these are actual sales that have come in this past. I mean, we started this the first week of June. I think I brought on my first grandfather and my first affiliate group. So this is the type of thing like where I'm showing you like people are getting traffic. We're selling products. None of these say referral commission, because that isn't what I'm focused on for this platform. I am focused on product sales. And if I can help you with the traffic on that, then I let you buy traffic packages. Now, granted, I don't have traffic for everybody in the world. That's why this is a private program, and I'm not just putting the link in my description, which is why you have to reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, and when YouTube rolls out that DM, I'll probably communicate with people through there. I am going to link to some of the products that we sell so that you can just see the samples of what we're doing. You are more than welcome to reach out to me or leave a comment, and I will for sure get back with you. But the reason I built this, was because I wanted a way to people to make money while they get trained on how to be an affiliate marketer. I wanted to teach people to build their lists, but it can be very frustrating because when you build an email list, just getting somebody on your email doesn't mean that you make money. You have to nurture those email lists. You have to take time. You have to provide value so that when you recommend products, they want to buy those products. And so while I can teach people how to build real lists and sell their own products, because I hope like at some point people want to create their own products and sell their own things as well. I just wanted to provide a platform where people could come out here and sign up for free, give it a little bit of a test to actually see what success looks like so that they get motivated to want to do this on their own and learn how to do it on their own. And that's my whole goal, so there's no games with this, just pure transparency, and how this works. So if you want to see inside the product library and all that good stuff, just reach out to me. Like I said, I'm not putting an invite in my YouTube description at this point. I'd rather talk to people a little bit just to kind of see what they're looking to accomplish. Do people actually want to become an affiliate marketer, or are you just trying to come in and only buy traffic? Because over time, I'm continuing to build out my traffic, but I can only sell the traffic that I can produce. So traffic at some point could sell out. That's why I want to equip you with the skill set to build an actual email list and do affiliate marketing on your own, but then have an outlet to tap into some traffic that's already converting. So if you would like that, just reach out, leave a comment below, and I will get back with you. And then I'll probably show a little bit more of kind of how I'm building out these products and all that good stuff on my YouTube channel. You can find some previous videos where I built out products. We built out sales pages. We've done all of this. I've systematized this, and we will have new products up in the library in the coming weeks. So we'll see how good that I can grow the traffic in the faceless YouTube channels and on the inside training. I'll probably show some of those specific examples for people. So anyway, like, share, hype, do whatever on the video. It helps it out a lot. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.